So we really like this area here. By the way, this red line means point of control. The point of control is where the most volume happened at a specific price level over a period of time. So this bar here tells you that $114 per share is where the most volume happened. So let's just make it that simple. When price returns to this level, if it ever does, we'll get involved. This is a company that we've been watching. It's something we're interested in, and we're going to wait until it goes back to a high volume node. So this is a high volume node. When price goes back into this node, count us in. Check this out. We're going to open up our trading panel. In fact, we'll place this on a paper trade just so you can see it for yourself. So we open up our paper trading account. This button here is where our order panel is. And let's do a limit. This is how you can start to make better decisions. Don't have FOMO. Don't chase. Be patient. So what we did in our volume profile strategy video is we decided that we're going to wait. We're going to sit on our hands. And we believe that about $114 to $115 per share is a better area for us to buy. So in this case, we'll do 115. We will buy 25 shares. And of course, we will actually set a stop loss because we believe in risk management. And for this trade, if it cuts underneath this